In this section, we're going to show you how to restore a project from an existing archive. The archive source could be a disk array, LTO-based archive, or LTFS archive. Projects or collections of bins from project parking archives can be restored into current projects or create new projects. There are two uses for this: continue working on previous version of a project, or to create a consolidated version of a project that has media assets across multiple workspaces. Within project parking, the first thing to do is to change to the Archive and Restore tab where the archives are listed. Before we do the restore, let's delete the Extreme Sports project. This is a new feature in project parking and basically deletes projects on the basis that there is another copy of the project on the system. Select Delete and delete the Extreme project and all its media. Now that we've deleted the Extreme project, we'll restore the original version. Go to the Archive and Restore tab. Select the Extreme Sports archive and select version 1. You can see there a few versions to choose from. Press the Restore button and select which of the various bins you'd like to include. I'm just going to restore all the bins as we're effectively restoring the complete project. Select where you are going to restore to and the mapping of the workspaces. Press Start to restore the complete project. Now, maybe you wanted to use one of the sequences from another version of the same project. Again, select the Extreme archive, select the version you want to restore. We'll select the Extreme Sports archive and select version 2 this time. I'm just going to select the sequences bin as I'm only interested in the sequence that contains all the media. Press the Restore button and select the sequences bin. Then select where you're going to restore to and the mapping of the workspaces. This can be changed to any workspace that is available in project parking. In this case, all the media is already on the system, hence no media will be copied. Finally, you can also restore bins from archives of other projects. So, for instance, this is the Aquarium archive and we're going to restore just the sequences bin into the Extreme Sports project. Select the bin of interest and the target project. In this case, it is the Extreme Sports project. Once the restore has been completed, you can switch back to Media Composer and load the Extreme Sports project. We will now see that the bins have been included in the subfolders, so you can easily access them without changing any of the other media. During this section we showed deletion of projects, restoring of a complete project, restoring a partial project, restoring a bin from one project into another project, and reviewing of the restore project.